Hello friends, in the chapter of quadratic equation, you have learned that a quadratic equation has imaginary roots or complex roots in certain conditions. In this chapter, we will learn what are the complex number, what are their operations and their properties and so many other things. Let us start the chapter. Suppose we have to find under root minus 1. Under root minus 1 is an imaginary number and it is denoted as I. Therefore, I square will be under root minus 1 into under root minus 1, that is minus 1. Similarly, I cube will be minus I, and I की power 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, I square is equal to minus 1, I cubed is equal to minus I, and I की power 4 is equal to 1. Suppose we have to find I की power 234. We can write it as first divide 234 by 4. Therefore, it will be 20, 3 remainder 5, 4 8 32, remainder 3. Therefore, it can be written as I की power 58 into 4 plus 3. Therefore, it is I की power 4 की power 58 into I cubed. Therefore, it is 1 की power 58 into I cubed. Therefore, I cubed is equal to minus I. Suppose we again had to take another example. Suppose we have to find I की power 201. It can be written as I 4 into 50 plus 1. Therefore, it is I की power 4 into 50 into I की power 1, that is 1 की power 50 into I. 1 की power 50 is 1 into I, that is I. Therefore, it is very simple that first write, suppose we have to find I की power n, we will write n is I की power 4 into P plus Q. Therefore, it is equal to I की power Q. For example, suppose I की power 25. It is equal to I की power 4 into 6 plus 1, that is I की power 1, that is I. I की power, suppose we have to find I की power 42, is equal to I की power 4 into 10 plus 2, that is I square, that is minus 1. Therefore, we can find it as very easy. Suppose we have to find the value of under root minus 2 into under root minus 32. This can be done by two methods. In first method, minus under root minus 2 under root minus 32 can be written as under root minus 2 into minus 32, that is equal to under root 64, that is 8. In the second method, under root minus 2 is 2i root 2i, and under root minus 32 is equal to 4 root 2i, that is 8i square, that is minus 8. Therefore, two values in first method it is coming as 8, in second method is coming a minus 8, but this method is wrong. This cannot be accepted. Therefore, minus root 2 minus 32 is equal to minus 8 it is the right solution. Simply suppose under root minus 4 into under root minus 16 can be written as 4 under root is, that is 2i, under root 416 is equal to 4i. Therefore, it can be written as 8i square, that is minus 8. Simply, in the third example, suppose it is minus 3 into under root minus 3. This can be written as root 3i. This can be written as root 3i, that is 3i square, and that is minus 3. Fourth example, suppose it is under root minus 5 into under root minus 25 is equal to under root 5 is under root 5i, and minus under root minus 25 is 5i. Therefore, it is equal to 5 root 5 I square, that is minus 5 root 5. Now you may understand how we can find these two products. We come to the operation on the complex number. On the complex number. There are two complex number. First is Z1, it is A plus IB, and second Z2, that is C plus ID. So first will be the addition. Z1 plus Z2, it is A. Z1 plus Z2 is equal to A plus IB plus C plus ID, that is A plus B, A plus C plus I common, B plus D. Second operation is subtraction. Z1 minus Z2 is equal to A plus IB minus C plus ID. Therefore, it is equal to A minus C plus I common, B minus D. Third operation is product multiplication. Z1 into Z2 is equal to A plus IB into C plus ID. When we will multiply it by A, it will be AC plus IAD plus IBC plus I square BD. You can write it as AC plus I. You may take I common between these two. Therefore, I is equal to AD plus BC. I square is minus 1 minus BD. Therefore, it is equal to, BD. Therefore, it is equal to AC minus BD plus I common AD plus BC. Now we come to the division. Division is Z1 upon Z2. Z1 upon Z2 is equal to A plus IB upon C plus ID. Actually, imaginary number I should not be in the denominator. Therefore, we will multiply and divide by the conjugate of this. It will be C minus ID upon C minus ID. Therefore, we will multiply these two terms. It will be AC minus IAD plus IBC minus I square BD upon it is C square minus I square D square. Therefore, in this it will be AC. This will become minus 1. Therefore, minus minus plus 1, that is AC plus BD. Again, in these two terms, we will take I common. Therefore, it is plus I BC minus AD upon C square plus D square. So these are the four operations in complex number, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It is all for today. Thank you.